Have you ever wondered why your cat is so aggressive?
It's not just sass, it might be something deeper. Cats don't lash out for fun. That random smack to your face, it could mean your cat is overstimulated, stressed, or even in pain. They're not being mean, they're basically saying, back off me. If your cat's ever done this, drop a comment. I need to know I'm not the only one. Also, yeah, sometimes it's personal. Cats remember things, skipped meals, yelling, even how you picked them up last week. Unlike dogs, they hold grudges. Cute? Yes. Terrifying? Also yes. If this helped you understand your cat's rage, hit that follow button.